at that waterfall. Came outside just at the right time. Certainly makes a difference looking at the It's suddenly gotten really blustery out there. You can kind of see the spray. The room's creaking and I don't like it. But the texture in the sea is beautiful at the same time as being really big and annoying. But we'll say goodbye to New Zealand out there. Bye, New Zealand. And now, over the next couple of days, I have to try and write an essay for university. So 2 days at sea now before we arrive back in Australia. 2 days in which to try and get this essay done so that I can send it off to my supervisor, get him to check it so that when I get back in the UK, I can finish it off and get it submitted. So that's what I'm going to go do now. The boat's shaking.